Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, welcome again to our new session of PLC tutorials. I have been teaching latching and latching in last tutorial, so I will continue with that, and I hope you are liking the videos. Okay, so latching and latching, let's start with the latching and latching. In last part I have explained these slides. I will just go through these slides and then I will start with the left part of these slides, and that is very important part with respect to the hardware. So just be attentive and just concentrate on this thing. Okay, so these are the switches I have explained you earlier also. These are two type of switches, that is toggle and push button, that are used in industries. Okay, so these are other type of switches. You can see the type, they are a little bit different, hardware is a little bit different. Okay, and these are the symbols, normally open in toggle and in push button, normally closed in toggle, normally closed in push button. And in this slide I have explained that the PLC symbol for normally open, normally closed, whether it is in toggle or whether it is in push button, the PLC symbol is same for both. And I have explained how to latch the output in last tutorial. You can see my last video if you want to learn about the how to latch output. So I will not go for that thing, latching and latching. I will just start with this table. I have shown you this table, but I told you that I will explain it in the next video. So in this video I will explain this table, and this is very important table with respect to industry, because when we are working on hardware industry we need to get the basic things about the latching and latching. So to latch output is different thing, but to latch with respect to hardware and with respect to the addressing, how to address with respect to hardware and how to latch that thing, we will learn with this this chart, this table. Okay, so let's start. This is the hardware and software. It is written that in left side you can see it is written hardware, and right side it is written software. In left side I have shown you the symbols. As you can see, this is NO. So this is, I have explained, this is the symbol for NO, normally open, and this is N, normally open, this is normally closed. You can see the symbol. So there are the four conditions that I have shown you, whether your input start button could be NO or NC. Okay, so and stop button can be NO or NC. So I have made these four conditions. When our first condition is when our start, we have two NO push buttons, and first is also NO and second is also NO. So when we have two NO push buttons, how we will make the changes in program, you will see. Okay, before that I will just want to go for a latching program. I will just make a latching program simply. Okay, as I have made in last tutorial. Okay, so I am taking this NO and I am latching it. Okay, how to latch and how it will work, that as I have explained in the last video, so I will not go for that. I1:0.0/0, let it be this. Okay, and I will take a NC. This is stop button. Okay, I1:0.0/1. Okay, and next is output. Okay, O0:0.0/. So I have to latch this output. Okay, so I will, what do we say, I will take a same addressing here. Okay, why I have taken this and all that I have explained in the last tutorial, so you can check that video, then you can come to this video. Okay, so just run program. Okay, so when you will force on and force off is, okay, when you force on force off, because why I'm going force on force, I have explained in last video, so you have to check that video. Okay, when force on force off means it is working as a push button, when you press and release. Okay, and this output is getting latched. When you press this is as a stop, this is working as stop button. When you press this, it will unlatch this. So I have explained this latching and latching formula in last video. So I will go for this chart. Okay, so before that I want to just because I don't have a hardware right now, so I cannot explain in hardware, but I will try to explain how it works in hardware. Okay, what I will do is, let I have a PLC with the four push buttons. Okay, let I have 4 inputs. Okay, 4 inputs, and first input is like let I have NO normally open. Okay, I have 4 inputs. No, I have 4 push buttons, not input. I have 4 push buttons. Okay, push buttons. Okay, in hardware. Okay, this is hardware. So in hardware, push buttons, first is NO. Okay, and NO is connected to first input. Okay, first input in PLC. Okay, so I am giving this addressing I1:0.0/0. Okay, so this is the addressing for the first input, and second I have again NO normally open, and again I have connected it with the input in PLC, and addressing is 0.0/1. So I have connected second NO to first input. Sorry, this is to input number this I1:0.0/1, and I have a third input. Third is it is a NC. Okay, so I have a push button NC that is connected to PLC input number I1:0.0/2. Okay, and this is again an NC, and I have connected it to I1:0.0/3. Okay, so I have 4 inputs in PLC, and the 4 hardware push buttons are connected to the 4 inputs. First input is NO. Okay, so it means a normally open push button is connected to my first input of PLC. Addressing is I1:0.0/0. Addressing I have explained in our previous tutorials. Okay, in second input I am connecting NO again. NO is I1:0.0/1. In third input I am connecting a NC, that is normally closed push button, I1:0.0/2, and fourth input again I am connecting a NC, I1:0.0/3. Okay, so these are our push button. When I have a hardware, I can check whether an input NO is connected or NC is connected. I can check the hardware. Right now I am let's suppose I am supposing that these are the inputs, and these are the input addressing, and these are the hardware that are connected to the PLC. Okay, so I will go to this again. Okay, so let's suppose that I have 2 inputs, and that's both are NO. Okay, so let's suppose I have 2 NO push buttons, and I have to make a latching program out of it. Okay, so when I have these NO push buttons, when I have to make a program, I will just forget this hardware. Okay, I will explain you how I give addressing in this to this hardware. Okay, so first of all, what I have to do, I will make a program, okay, without addressing, and I will take in start, this is NO. Okay, so I will take a NO over here. Okay, I will take a NO over here in a program. Okay, this is the program. Let's go offline and delete this. Okay, I am deleting this. This thing they will remain same, because output will, when I have to latch the output, so output will remain the same. Okay, what I am doing is I am putting here according to this table. Okay, so in table, first condition is in start I have to put NO, in stop I have to put NC. Okay, in start I have to put NO, and in stop I have to put NC. Here I am using start, so I will put N over here. Okay, and in stop I will put NC over here. Okay, as per our table I am putting these values. Okay, and if you see that in start, okay, so this is the start. Okay, in start, in NO, in hardware you can see is NO. Okay, so I have to give a addressing according to the hardware. Okay, I have to make a program according to the software, and I have to give the addressing according to the hardware. So I have made this according to software. Now addressing, I have to give the address I1 colon like this. So I will give according to the hardware, where our NO is connected in hardware. So I will check you can see the first condition and second condition, there are two NOs. So our two NO push buttons are connected to I1 colon 0.0/0 and I1 colon 0.0/1. So our inputs, I have two NO push buttons and are connected to 0 and 1. So I can give addressing of, here I can give addressing of 0 or 1, because I can give addressing of a NO only. Okay, because in start I am using NO. So I can give addressing of NO push button. So NO is available in input number 1, input number 0. Okay, so I will give addressing of 0 or 1 over here. I can give. Okay, so I will give you addressing of 0, I1 colon 0.0/0. Why I have given this addressing? Because it is connected to NO push button. Okay, so this is, let's say it is a start. Okay, now when I go for stop, here is NC. I have made a program, I have put here NC. Okay, so in NC, in hardware I will check, hardware it is NO. Okay, hardware I have taken NO, in software I have taken NC. So I have to give addressing here. I have to give addressing not about with respect to NC. I have to give addressing with respect to hardware. Okay, in hardware it is NO. So I will check in PLC, NO is connected to 0 and 1 only. So I can give addressing of 0 or 1. In 0 I have 0 is occupied, already occupied. So I will give an addressing of 1, I1 colon 0.0/1. Okay, so I can give name it a stop. Okay, so see, now it is stop. Now when I will download the program, I can check. Okay, force on, force off, it is latch, and force on, force off, it is unlatch. Okay, now you must be getting confused why I am taking this NO and here NO, here NC. It is why taking NO here. I should take NC over here. Okay, now because stop is NC, why should I am taking N over here? Actually this you can learn from this slide. Okay, what is the logic is the result. We need result in the program, and result can be obtained with hardware and software combination. So when I have a hardware in NO and software in NO, the combination makes a NO. Okay, and definitely NO is used to start. Okay, when in hardware it is NC and software is also NC, the NC plus NC is NO. So NO is used in start. NO plus NC gives NC, NC plus NO gives NC. So when we get a logic NC, that is used for stop, when we get a logic NO, that is used for start. Okay, so I will check the program, I will explain you this thing. Okay, see, in program here it is software is NO. Okay, so I will check the hardware. In hardware, see, start is NO, start is again NO. So hardware plus software, NO plus NO. So it will give result NO. That's why my program is working as NO. When I force on and force off, it passes the supply. Okay, it latches the output. And secondly, stop is NC and here is NO. NO plus NC gives NC. As per our this slide, NO plus NC gives NC. So that is condition for the stop. So here you can see this stop is NC. Stop is NC. When I force on and force off, it unlatches the output. So we cannot take a same for stop. That's why you can see this slide. Start is in hardware NO, 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 NC, 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 NC. Start is always same in hardware and software, and stop is always different. NO, NC, NC, NO, NO, NC, NC, NO. If the hardware is NO, then I have to take NC in stop. If hardware is NC, then I have to take NO in stop. So I have to take opposite in the program. Understood? Okay, so let's go offline and check the second condition. Okay, generally what we use is the second condition only. Second condition is in hardware, NO is start is NO and stop is NC in hardware. Generally in industry what we use this condition. Okay, I have made this 4 condition to explain you that so that you can get the logic behind latching and unlatching. Okay, so let's go for the second condition. I will just delete this because output will remain the same. So what I have to do is I have to make program according to the software. So I will take 2 NOs. Okay, NO plus NO. So I will take 2 NO, I will take NO over here, and again I will take NO over here. Okay, now I have to give addressing according to the hardware. In hardware I will check, see this is software NO. Okay, so I will check in software NO, so hardware should be, sorry, in second condition software is NO, hardware is NO. So I have to take hardware NO, addressing of NO is according to this 0 or 1. I can take addressing of 0 or 1 in NO hardware. So I will give addressing of 0 or 1. Let's take addressing of 0, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0. Okay, so this is start. So again in stop I will check it is NO, but in hardware it is NC. So I have to give addressing of NC. So addressing of NC is, you can see 2 or 3. NC is connected to second and third input. So I can give addressing of second or third input. So I will give addressing of 2. Let's say I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2. Okay, so I can name it stop. Okay, but right now this program is not connected to the hardware PLC. Okay, so it will not give the right answer. See, you can see this is again working, showing it as a NO and it is showing as a NO. When I will press C, nothing is happening. Okay, why it is happening? Because this is not connected to the actual hardware. When it is actual connected to actual hardware, it will show like this, because it is hardware, in hardware it is NC. So NC will always pass the supply, so it will show like this when it is connected to the hardware. And now when it will show like this, then it will, when you press the start push button, it will latch the output. Okay, and when you will press the stop push button, it will unlatch the output. Okay, so this is the condition. When you will work on PLC hardware, this will show like this. Okay, so this was the second condition. Let's check similarly the third condition also. In third condition, let's delete this. I hope you are understanding. I will try to make a next video on hardware. Due to lockdown, I cannot manage the hardware, that's why I am giving this tutorial on software only. Okay, let's go for the third condition is I have to take in start NC, in stop also NC. I have to take 2 NCs. Okay, let's make a program with the 2 NCs. This is NC and again NC. Okay, so I have taken 2 NC. So in start it is NC, so in hardware also it is NC, because NC plus NC is NO. So I will check NC, I can give addressing of 2 and 3. Okay, so I can give addressing of 2 and 3. NC plus NC is NO. You can check this chart. Okay, and start condition is always, there are 2 conditions, both hardware and software should be NC or hardware software should be NO. Okay, it cannot be opposite in for start. So in third condition, software is NC, start hardware is NC, the addressing is 2 or 3. So I will give addressing of 3 over here, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3. You can write in 2 also. Okay, so START start. Okay, so this is for start. Now here what can I have to give addressing? I have to check NC, I have to take addressing of a NO. I have to give addressing of a NO. For NO we have addressing 0 or 1, so I can give addressing of 0 or 1. So I'll give addressing of, let's see, 1, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1. Okay, so this is stop. But as I have told you that hardware is not connected right now, it will not show you the right result. Okay, see, it is again showing latched, because it is not working as NO, because the PLC is not connected with the hardware. If it is connected with the hardware, then NC plus NC will be NO, so it will show like this. Okay, let's make it like this. Okay, when it will connect to hardware, it will show you like this, because here it will be show like this forced on, because in hardware it is NC is connected to this start. So NC in hardware plus NC in software will logically give you NO. When you will press start this button, this will latch the output. Okay, and this stop button will unlatch the output. Okay, so this is how it will work when it will connect it to the hardware. Okay, now again the last condition, let's check the last condition also. Last condition, I have to take start as NC and stop as NO. Okay, so let's make it start as NC again and stop as a NO. Okay, in start NC, so what about the hardware? NC plus NC NO, you can check this. Okay, so I will give the addressing of a NC for input. Okay, so addressing of NC is 2 or 3. Okay, so I will give addressing of 3 again. Okay, I1 column 0.0/3. Okay, because I have named start here. In here you can check NO plus NC. So in NC again, NC I have 2 inputs, 2 and 3. So 3 is occupied, so I will give addressing of a 2 over here. Okay, so I'll give addressing of 2, I1 colon 0.0/2. Okay, so when I will switch on this, as I have told you, the PLC is not connected, so it will not show you the result, but I will tell you how it will show. So I have to first force on this and force off this. Okay, so when hardware will be connected, it will show like this, because NO plus NC will be NC, NC plus NC will be NO. It will show you like this. When you force on this and force off this, it will latch the output. When you force on this and force off this, it will show you the, it will cut out the output. Okay, so this is how I have to give addressing and latching is done with respect to hardware and software. So you have to see this chart, you have to learn this chart, you have to practice this chart to learn this part of PLC tutorials. Okay, I hope you are practicing PLC, you are learning a lot. Stay safe and keep practicing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.